Because some of you are sitting there going, thinking, thinking that you're failing just because you're in a stall. The scale isn't moving, and you know, I know what that feels like. I know that feeling because I've been in a stall for quite a while now. You know, that feeling where you're trying and trying and trying, and it just doesn't seem like anything's working, and you're ready to give up. You're just like, you know, nothing is changing, you know, and it makes you want to just quit, go back to the old way you used to eat. That's what I used to do all the time, all the time. But I'm reading this book by Napoleon Hill, and, you know, he said something powerful. I heard some stories that really got through to me. And he says that so many people give up right before success shows up, right before the breakthrough. And it's because, you know, things start getting harder. You know, weight loss, oh my God, you know, that's one of the biggest challenges. If you suffer from obesity, you know how hard of a challenge it is. The many times we've tried, the many things we've tried. And a stall feels personal. It feels like, see, you can't do it. See, you can't do it. You know, you're stuck. You're stuck again. You know, it's just never going to be for you. You are never going to, this is never going to happen. You're just determined to be a heavy person for the rest of your life. You know, you're just meant to be big. But this, you know, a stall isn't proof that we're failing. It's proof that we're being tested, yes. But, you know, I found out that it's from, our body has leveled out. Our body has leveled out, you know, and we're being tested, and we're being questioned. Okay, the going has gotten hard. Are you going to choose yourself? Are you going to give up again? Are you going to quit because it's uncomfortable? You know, because it's gotten harder, and because you need to figure it out. You need to make some more changes. But the new you, the new us, no, we keep going. We're not giving up. Even when we don't see results, we're going to keep going. Because there's options this times, there's medicines, there's help. Even if you're tired, you know, and we are tired, probably scared when I was like, oh no, as I said, I got to get, you know. Even when we're disappointed because that scale isn't, we're not seeing what we want to see. You know, but this is about more than the scale. It's about more than that number. This is about getting our lives back. Our life, our lives, our joy, our happiness, our confidence, our sexy back. So if you're stalled right now, just don't give up. Just, you know, I'm doing, add more protein, I'm more water, more movement, and a better mindset, mindful eating. I'm practicing mindful eating, and all of these things are working. I've lost 6 pounds the last couple of weeks doing this. So I know it's working, and I'm getting back down. And I just had to pivot and figure it out. And, you know, we're closer than we think. We are so close to this. You know, I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I have lost 230 pounds. I have got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy. I got out of the wheelchair and no more walker. You know, I'd love it if you would follow me. Because I'm still here, and I still have so much more to share with loose skin removal surgery. You're not alone. Stay with me. I've been there. I've been through it all. And I would love it if you would join my school membership. It's free, and it's a bunch of us ladies getting together, and we're just a great group, and it's growing, and we're beta, and we're learning from each other, and we're connecting. And it's like Weight Watchers tops. It's going to be like everything, the best of everything, with me at the top. No. It's going to be the best of everything with me starting it, and all of my members are the ones. We're just going to be one magnetic, magical group, sexy after 60 weight loss. And we're going to, this is going to be our year. This is going to be our year to get our health back, our bodies back, our minds back, because we've been sold a bunch of bull, people. We've been sold a bunch of bull. Yeah. Obesity is a disease, and this is not our fault. And now there's medicines to help, because I'm on Mounjaro, and it has been a huge help. And I truly believe in the GLP-1s. If they work for you, a lot of people they don't work for. There's super responders. There's like me, I'm not a super responder. I'm a slow responder. But at least I'm responding now, and my A1C is down to 5.3. My endocrinologist goes, "That's like you're not even a diabetic anymore." And I go, "Yeah, my A1C is," and he goes, "Normal." And I was like, "Oh, normal? Me?" And I just seen a doctor and had all of these tests done, and she said, "I'll see you in a year." And I'm like, "Not for a whole year?" She goes, "Well, unless you need me." And I'm like, what is happening? I'm so used to having to run in and see these doctors every couple months. No. My whole life's changing. I'll tell you one, it's changing for the better, and it's because I'm sticking with it and I'm being consistent, and I can show you guys how to do this too. So join us on the school platform. Join us in the membership. It's free, and I love you guys. I love YouTube. This is so much fun. I love sharing my story, and I want to help people.